In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create purchase orders in Odoo. We'll start from the main Odoo dashboard. From there, open the Purchases application. This is where you create and manage requests for quotation, vendor pricing, and purchase orders. Once you're inside the Purchases app, click the New or Create button to begin a new RFQ, which stands for Request for Quotation. Think of this as the draft stage before a purchase order is officially confirmed. Next, enter the vendor name. You can either select an existing vendor or type the name manually. If the vendor profile is already set up in Odoo, the system may automatically fill in useful information such as payment terms and the vendor's price list. That can save time and help reduce manual errors, so it's always worth checking that the vendor record is complete. After that, set the order deadline and the expected arrival or receipt date. The order deadline tells the vendor when they need to confirm the quotation, while the expected receipt date helps your team plan for incoming stock. These dates are important for scheduling, especially if the products are needed by a certain time. Now scroll down to the Products tab and click Add a Product. Choose the item you want to purchase by selecting it from the list or typing the product name. Once the product is added, update the quantity, unit of measure, and unit price as needed. This is a good point to slow down and make sure the product details match what the vendor is offering, since even small differences can affect inventory and accounting later. Before moving on, review the taxes and the overall total carefully. Odoo calculates these automatically, but it's still a good habit to confirm that everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Save to finalize the draft. At this stage, if you want to send the quotation directly to the vendor, click Send by email. Odoo will send it from within the system, and the document status will change from draft to RFQ sent. If you're working with a vendor in person or simply want a physical copy, you can click Print instead to download a PDF version. When the vendor agrees to the pricing and timeline, reopen the RFQ, then click Confirm Order in the top left. This is the moment the document officially changes from an RFQ into a purchase order. Odoo also creates a linked receipt in the inventory module, which allows you to track the incoming goods and manage the receiving process more efficiently. And that's how to create purchase orders in Odoo, from the initial request all the way through confirmation and inventory tracking.